Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reduce banner size for your Shopify store. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing to do is to go to your online store so we can see where our banner is. Basically it will be located in your theme and the first thing or the first section that you will see is your actual or your current theme. And now we will need to customize it. After that, we will need just to search for any banner that you have. So for example, it can be this announce bar or any banner that you are looking for. So from here, either we can start using from this. So as you can see, either adapt to first image, we can make it small or medium, or we can make it large. So from here, make sure to have a 3 to ratio image so it can be as much appealing as possible. And then we can start customizing it uh, on our customizing or custom sizing. So basically for that, we will need just to have some custom CSS. So this is our banner image. And basically we need just to know where it is located in the code. We can right click on it as this and then click on inspect. And basically here in the elements, we will find our code. So as you can see, this is the name of the class and we need just to open this name of class and here we will find our banner box. So basically here we will need just to go and search for the image exactly, the name of the image, and basically we will need just to copy this class name, which is the banner media, and basically we control C it or copy it, and then we need just to go to our custom CSS. We will find it here at the bottom. We need to click on point here and then click on image. I mean just type in it. We open the brackets, then we can use the image size. So for that we need just to type width, and then we are going to make it, for example, a 20 pixel, and it should change the image banner or the image size. And basically now it will be working. And first make sure that the image is not an SVG, and you will have a custom image. So basically here we have this one. As you can see already my width has reduced. We can do like that, for example 30, and it will start being modified. And as you can see we can start modifying the size however we like. Also, you can do that for the height. So you can just type, for example, 200 pixel. We do like this, and it will be resized. And by this, you can resize the image banner. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching. And see you next time.